I did keep my promise that I will marry your daughter. And huwag ka mag-alala, I will text you kung umiiyak ka pa o hindi. And if you're looking for an anchor, don't worry.
Akala ko, if you're looking for an ankle.
If you're looking for an anchor.
If you're looking for an uncle.
Yeah. The anchor, di ba? You have Popeye the Sailor Man right here.
Nico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
All right, look at us. It's actually one of those days that we went out of town. Thank you to Cherie.
Of course. Thank you for joining me, guys.
Yeah, it's the banks. I'm telling you, there's a reason for the banks. But we're
It's
here.
my first time to wear my bangs on the show.
Ganda. Suits you.
So this is the
The launch.
The launch.
The hard launch
The hard launch of my
of the
bangs.
show that you've been waiting for. We're coming to you live from Grand Garage here in
Yes,
Angeles,
Angeles,
in
Pampanga.
Pampanga. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
Always live in front of our hardworking studio audience. Yes, they work as well as they clap. So, kumusta? How's everything? How's everything going?
Good. Yeah.
How are you guys?
Holy
Great.
Week, right?
Great.
Holy
you
Week
know,
dumaan.
very clear.
Very busy
Very
preparing
busy.
your
Yeah, it's
Yes, preparing the wedding.
It's different when you host it, and it's different when you
It's
are.
your wedding,
Yes,
no?
it's a whole different animal. So I can't wait for yours.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Wala pa nga eh.
Flower
Hello?
girl na siya, bride pa
Calling
siya
my
at the same
future
time.
husband, where are you?
All right,
Charot.
DM, slide it in
My
right
future
there.
husband, I'm waiting for you. Char!
But you know, it is a summer season, and summer drinks are always a hit. So it's
Yes.
time to try some drinks. Here's 2 hot tries. Let's go see this.
2 hot tries.
Okay, so what's this called? Gin
Universe!
Universe!
Hala, ang dami pala nito.
So ano ang theme? Why is it
Akala
called the
ko
Gin
shot lang.
Universe?
Thank
What are the
you.
ingredients?
So it has gin, grape juice, Sprite, and blue Gatorade.
Okay, so
I
pag
like the payo.
may tambay ka na kasama, may natirang Gatorade from the basketball game,
I like
at
the
merong
payo.
tang grape, and they mix it all
Wow.
up. Cheers!
Thank you, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hot tries.
Thank you to the team.
Cheers.
So, to know how they made it, just check out the screen. This is a great recipe that
Uy,
you
ang
could
sarap
drink.
nito. Hala, nagkapalit yung may alcohol na kay Phoebe.
Tayo
No,
na
it's
naman
good.
ako nito mamaya.
It's very grapey. Grapey.
Yeah, this is very refreshing. It's a perfect...
Oh my God, ang sarap. Mukhang malalasing ako ngayon. Yay!
And you can assemble
Sarap.
this with your friends.
Uy, it's so good ah.
Ga-outing kayo. You could try this. Gin Universe. Yan.
It's so good. I like it. Bigyan niyo si Chem.
Yeah.
What's the powder thing on top?
It's like glittered powder.
Glitter powder. Kasi nga universe.
Social.
Chemalin!
Oh, what's that rocket
Sana
that
yun?
went abroad?
Chemalin.
Artemis?
Tinawag.
Artemis 2, the one in the US. Yeah, we're now in space.
Uy, ang
Artemis.
sarap. Tikman mo to. Ang sarap.
Thank you. Check out our recipes down below. 2 hot tries. Cheers.
Wow.
Best
it's
served
so
with yellow.
good. I like it. Mauubos ko to ah.
Usin mo.
I'm okay. This is a long drink for later, pa, right? Oh, it's a long drink.
I thought it was a shot. Ooh, summer drinks. Okay.
Ooh.
Of course,
I like
we're gonna wash it down with some of our too hot, sparkling goodness.
Oh, thank you very much.
Cheers.
So to wash the long drink down,
can
you have a
smell
shot.
I can smell it.
Beautiful. I love it.
Ang sarap.
Rectang gin.
Thank you.
Yeah,
And
thank you guys. Of course, of the magic of television. All right. Okay, all about Mother's Day. Our moms play a very, very big factor in our life. I was raised by 3 moms.
Okay.
Yeah, mom made... Ako 3 moms, my titas, they really played a significant role in my life.
Ako, I have 2 moms. My mom and my tita. tita Tata, and then my stepmom passed away na. But she also played a big role in my life. And my grandma, syempre, pero they're in heaven na.
Si Lola yung
Yeah.
yung mag-aabot sa'yo ng pera na
Yung
parang
mga
patago.
nanay mo, di ba?
Sabihin sa nanay mo.
Yeah, but my mom and my tita Tata, they're, my strength.
Yeah, but it is
Yeah.
Mother's Day. How about you? Phoebe?
Yeah, no, my mom passed away last year. So yeah, it's the second Mother's Day without her. So yeah, obviously it's hard, but we also have a
of
mom
course.
here. Diba?
Look at that. Not just a mom. We got a MILF. Milfy. So, tell us about your MILFness.
A mother I like to find.
Yes. Now, tell us about, I mean, in what stage of your career that you became a mom?
It was on that, parang nalasing ako dun sa ininom ko Parang it was at the time where sobrang kalakasan ng mga Viva Hot Babes, and we were at that peak of our career. Kaya during that basketball na song, wala ako dun. Yeah, the basketball. Kasi that was the time that I got pregnant.
Really?
Yeah, it was really hard kasi syempre, 'di ba, for you to be a part of that group and sexy yung katawan
Sought
mo.
after.
Sought after, and then you see yourself na makikita mo sila na wala ka dun. So parang it was really sad, but at the same time, my son was a really great blessing for me in
I mean,
my life.
in show business, when that
Yeah.
happens, did you hide it? Or, I didn't know the story.
Well, I did not hide it. It's just that I didn't announce it until I was almost giving birth.
So, ano yung mga chismis ng time na yun?
Wala. Actually, kasi when it comes naman to my relationships, I'm always quiet about it. So, kumbaga pa, not quiet, but I prefer to be private. And then, at that time na nalaman nila that I was pregnant, nahimatay ako sa Shangri-La.
What, you were...
I was
working.
7 months.
Oh.
You were
So,
dancing?
going
Or
Hindi
were you
ka
doing?
halata at 7 months?
Yeah, no. As in talagang
Great.
kumanta pa ako kay Kuya Jerbs, naalala ko, but I was still alive at the time.
So, walang
Eh,
tulugan? Kumanta ka
Oo,
doon?
oo. Tapos sabi niya, sexy mo. Hindi niya alam, 8 months na ako. But, nung nahimatay ako sa mall, I was like saying talaga na parang, shit, sana wala akong makasalubong na showbiz. Ang nakasalubong ko, showbiz talaga.
Si Lars
Reporter
Santiago.
pa.
Si Lars Santiago, sino?
Si Ricky Lo.
Wow, the
Yeah.
late, great
And
Ricky
then parang
Lo.
yun nga,
Wow.
parang sinabi niya na, heads up lang ha, I'm gonna release the story, ganyan. Kasi, tapos nakita ko pa si Diana Zubiri, tapos, basta, para tayo, alam mo yung timing talaga siya ng mga time na yun na, naghintay ako na mag-open yung favorite ko na crab place at that time. And then, sabi ko, shucks, kasi Christmas. Di ba pabukas pa lang yung mga restaurants nun. Tapos I waited for them to open and I was so hungry. Tapos bigla na lang, alam mo yung curtain, yung pag nasa stage ka, tapos may curtain na nagsasara na ganun. Ganun yung na-feel ko. Kasi yung parang curtain na nagsara, biglang zhik, tapos
And then you
nag-black out
collapse.
ako. Tapos naalala ko na lang si Gian, ginaganon yung mukha ko. Don't close your eyes! So nahimatay ako, nakabukas yung mata ko.
Oh, shucks.
So, ang gwapo ng tinid ka, mga ganun.
As in talaga, oh my God! As in talaga, pinilit ko na. Pero wala na. Naalala ko na lang, nasa ako, wheelchair. Tapos, pag nahimatay ka pala, naiihi ka.
Yeah, oh, wow. You went to that level.
Yeah. As in,
Okay,
ganun.
nag-relax yung spinter mo.
Yeah, natakot ako na ano
The
mangyari
baby.
kay Hailey. Kasi
Yeah.
syempre, diba? But when we went to the hospital naman, I was totally okay. I was just really, really hungry.
So when that was
hungry.
unfolding in show business,
Diba?
so were you and Gian out? Like
Yeah.
out kayo as a couple?
Yeah. I never
Guys are
naman,
out.
parang denied anything about us. Parang alam naman ng buong mundo at that time that we were together.
And what was like, yung nagiging trend sa showbiz na, ay, buntis si gano. And then how did you handle it?
Ang nangyari, when I got pregnant, Gian was the one who was, actually, siya yung naging okay ang career nun. So I was just there to support him. Oo. So I supported him with his career while I was taking care of our kid or my baby. As in talagang as a mom. Ganon.
But I mean, the strength of what you have, I mean, it's not easy. You're in the public
yeah.
eye, especially
That's
at the
not easy.
time when you guys weren't working out anymore.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
did you handle that? I mean, sa harapan na
Well,
lahat ng tao, di ba?
At that time talaga, I hated Gian. Sorry, G. But we're so okay now. As in
Yeah.
talagang we're like family now with his wife and, Lara. And Para kaming family na ngayon. But before, kasi syempre, no, parang there was a third party at that time. So, I was really mad. And I hated him. Kasi syempre, di ba, parang I gave up my career.
Yeah. The
Basically.
sacrifice talaga
The
iba sa
sacrifice
babae.
sa babae, oo. Kasi syempre, pag nanay ka na, di ba? And yun yung mga bagay na hindi naiintindihan ng mga lalaki, di ba? When you have a kid. Minsan, syempre, parang it was okay naman na he was there to support naman, in fairness, to support me while I was in my motherhood, yung ganun. Hindi naman siya napabayaan. But I think, siguro, parang pareho kaming bata. Parang bata pa kami at that time na we really are not yet parang satisfied with our career
What
and
you
then our relationship.
wanted to do with everything.
Madami
kasi
pang goals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kasi we were together 6 months pa lang when I had my baby na eh. We were friends for 10 years and then di kami nagkita after 10 years and then after 10 years nabuntis ako 6 months after we have a baby. So
Yeah.
kumbaga parang nabigla rin kami dun sa situation.
Pero ang galing the way, I mean, like now your career now, the way you've done it, the way you could be the blueprint of how you should have a child in show business and
Yeah.
handle it with all the criticisms of people.
Yeah, kasi alam mo, it's really just up to you. If you kunyari mommy ka na, minsan makakalimutan mo alagaan talaga yung sarili mo. Makakalimutan mo talagang alagaan yung sarili mo kasi your mind is to take care of your family, to take care of your kid, di ba?
Yeah.
But I just wanna remind talaga all the moms out there na the reason why your partner liked you, first of all, it's because physically, di ba? Hindi naman talaga natin yun madidenay eh. And pag naging mommy ka, medyo makakalimutan mo yung sarili mo. But we have to also consider that. I mean, like, just a piece of unsolicited advice na kahit na mommy ka na, you should always still make time to, parang take care of yourself.
Get in shape.
Kasi yun yung mga nakakalimutan natin eh, pag naging mommy na tayo. Buti na lang talaga Wilma doesn't, as in talagang shout out to
Hi,
you.
Wilma.
Kasi ikaw ang gumising sa akin at that time. Kasi she pulled me on the side and then she told me, girl, don't forget about yourself. Sabi
Bakit
niya,
medyo nag-gain weight ka ba noon?
nag-gain weight ako, tapos ang pangit ng buhok ko. As in talagang I really forgot to take care of myself. Tapos alam mo, she pulled me and she's really a real person talaga na mabait na kaibigan. Kasi she pulled me on the side and she told me, remember ha, your career is your sexy actress. That's the reason why Gian liked you in the first place.
Yeah.
So don't forget to take care of yourself pa rin. Kahit mami ka na. Kasi tingnan mo, nalosyang ka na oh. Since she told me that talaga. And if walang magsasabi sa'yo nun, hindi mo marirealize yun eh. So like for me, that I'm in that situation and I recovered from it, my piece of advice to all the moms out there, parang kahit sobrang busy kayo, don't forget to take care of yourself pa rin.
Yeah. No, that's what I want to do pag
Yeah.
nagka-baby na. Parang,
Oo.
I know it might be hard to do it kesa saying it, di ba? Pero, you have to ipasok mo sa schedule mo yung
Oo.
you time.
Basta girl,
Me
pag
time.
dumating sa point na makikita kitang napapabayaan mo ha, sasabihin ko
Pull me
sa'yo.
aside.
Yes.
Ako, hindi mo
I
kasi
will be
sabihin na
there to
papabayaan
tell
mo
you,
na eh.
Phoebe.
Bring some shot clock, of course, in the jar.
Yes.
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
Of course, we're gonna cheers to Cherie and all the
Yes.
moms
All the moms out there,
All the moms
hardworking
out
mamas.
there, guys, kaya natin to. We can do this.
To all the moms, here we
Yes.
go.
This is
Cheers.
for all the mommies out there and to all the milfs.
Yeah. Hindi lang sa kagubatan nagtatago ang mga milk.
So good.
Uy, gin-joke ko lang kayo na wag lakasan na.
Of course,
Lakas,
time to
ha?
bring out the jar. Thank
Yeah.
you. This jar made it all the way here in Angeles.
Yay.
Who's gonna pick first? Cherie, go
Ako
ahead.
na? Oh, sige. Ano ang pinaka-cringe na palayaw na tawag sa'yo ng nanay mo?
Oh, Jesus
Cringe?
Christ.
Actually, pag nagagalit siya sa akin, kasi in my family, I grew up na Hazel. Kasi my real name is Cherry Hazel. And then, later on, pinalitan na ng nanay ko ng Sweet Faye Bautista.
Kala ko parang kasi Kobe,
Diba?
gano'n, di ba? Yun pala, Cherie Bautista.
Yeah, actually, talaga,
Kala ko like,
Cherry
Kobe,
Hazel.
Cherie.
But then, kaya lumaki ako na Hazel. So yung nanay ko pagalit sa akin, Hazel! Bisaya eh. Hazel! Ano to Hazel? So pag sinasabi niya sa akin Hazel, parang alam mo yung parang,
Nakikringe ka sa Hazel?
Oo. Kasi parang, hindi naman, Hisil. Alam mo yun?
Kasi Bisaya.
Oo.
Yung accent.
Hisil!
Oo. So pagka ganyan.
Hisil! Magsalawal ka nga, Hisil! Wala ka na naman sa
Basta
blood!
pag galit siya, alam ko na eh. Alam ko na eh.
Yeah.
Ako, wala, my mom always called me Pot-Pot. It's just parang parang endearment lang. Kasi nga, P.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
Pot-Pot.
PB Pot-Pot.
Yeah, Phoebe Pot-Pot.
Yeah.
Palaypay, Papita. But I mean, Pot-Pot was the most that
Ang
got
cute
to me.
naman.
Naiinis ako.
You know what they call
Yeah.
me? Ikotado.
That's that.
Like tarantado. Because when I was a kid, the first word that I learned was tado. Because all my uncles, when they talk, they're all cursing in Malabon.
Oh my
Tarantado po. All naman, tado!
Oh.
And I walk around with the soft drinks and the bangs.
How old were you?
I was probably like 1, I don't know. I saw
The
some
first
videos.
word was Tado, man.
And then my mom is just like, your name is Iko
Alam mo na.
Tado. So
Oh,
my
man.
grandpa's like, Iko Tado. Like Rico, it's Iko. That's my nickname. So Iko Tado. And up to now, I cringe. So when they call me Iko, it's like, you know, you'll only hear that in the wedding.
Parang
day.
mas bagay pa rin yung Rico.
Rico, yeah.
Oo.
John Rico. No, Rico Walker. Ah, watch out.
Pwede kaya yun, no? Baliktad.
I think
Rico
pwede.
Walker.
Pero,
That's such a radio DJ name. Rico
Rico
Walker. Ano ang pinaka nakakayang ginawa ng nanay mo in
Oh
public?
my God.
Oh!
Oh my God. I
Jeez.
have the worst
Okay.
ever.
I'll start?
You start.
Okay. I told my parents, this was in Los Angeles. I told my parents that I was going to get an award. So I got an award. My parents took the day off. My dad took the day off. Na, Dad, I'm going to receive an award in school. So parents ko nagbihis, todo bihis sila. Naghihintay sila. Yung ceremony was 2 hours. Nasa 1 hour and 56 minutes na. Sabi ng nanay ko, and my dad and my mom, anak, saan yung award mo? And now for perfect attendance. My mom was just like, oh, Jesus Christ.
perfect attendance
Perfect attendance.
pala.
Rico. I was like, hello.
At least may award nga naman.
award.
Hindi naman yung sinabi
Perfect
kung ano.
attendance.
Remember what they say? You just have to show up. Well, that's what I did. I showed up every day.
Ako nga musnit eh.
What's
Musnit. Bisaya eh.
Most neat.
neat.
Rico will not get that award.
most neat?
neat.
Okay. And then?
Ako, yung pinaka-worst na nagawa ng nanay ko sa akin in public, sinabunutan niya ako sa kalagitnaan ng fashion show. As in, kasi my family is very conservative. Look what happened to me now, no? Di ba, parang,
You are
ano yun?
you put the bomb in
I know,
bombshell.
right? So parang, at that time, nagsa-start na ako sa mga fashion shows, sa mga beauty contest, ganyan. Tapos, that time, nandun kami sa fashion show. Tapos, I didn't tell my mom kasi nga conservative yung family ko. So, I won't tell them what I do. So, nung time na yun, I was asked to wear a net na whole dress. Tapos, swimsuit lang or panty lang sa loob, tsaka
With
lingerie.
fish stockings.
Oo, parang ganun.
Fish
So,
net.
hindi ko sinabi sa nanay ko yun. Oh my God, may nakapag-chika sa kanya.
Day.
Ganun lang yung susuotin ko.
Tayo, anak mo.
Girl, isipin
Nakalambat
mo.
lang.
Oo, ganyan. Tapos kasama niya yung best friend niya.
Rumarampa.
Habang rumarampa, akong ganun may gumanon sa buhok.
Oh!
Sa gitna.
Talaga. Oh my goodness.
Nakakahiya. As in talaga, oh my God. My mom really
Hindi ka pa Viva
embarrassed.
Hot Babe nun?
Hindi pa syempre. Virgin pa ako nun. Kumbaga pa.
Kumbaga, Cagayan de Oros Hates
Oo.
ka pa lang.
Tapos, my God, yun yung mga time na ipapadala natin sa ospital yan. Ipacheck natin kung buo pa yung hymen niya. Yung mga ganon.
Really?
Oo. Kaya
Pasuot mo yung Garrison belt. Isuot mo yon. Isuot mo. Yung chastity.
Oo, ganun. So, I think that was the worst the thing that ever happened to me sa mom ko. Kasi talagang nachismis ako sa buong Cagayan de Oro at that time. Oh my God, alam mo ba, hinila yung buhok niya ng nanay niya nung fashion show.
Naglambat si Hazel.
Naku!
Nung nalambat,
Si
hinila.
Hazel.
Si Hazel.
Yeah. Ako naman, my mom kasi was palaaway. Sobrang palaaway siya. And then,
Her mom's a war freak.
medyo war freak siya. Siya talaga kapag may away kayo sa pamilya, siya yung re-rest back. Alam mo yun?
She's like me.
Yeah. So,
Turo mo.
anyway, nasa mall kami one time and then we were ordering a shake. Ay, yung cup ng shake is like this. So, parang narrow sa baba, wide sa taas. So, syempre, hindi siya mukhang puno. Parang, so binaliktad. Basta, my mom thought we were being scammed by the shake, by the lady. Girl, inaway talaga namin. Ay, syempre ako, anak, di ba, sunod-sunuran ka sa mom, di ba? You syempre nurture versus nature. Talaga. So, medyo inaway namin yung girl and then
Madami ang
gusto pa namin
pinagano.
kausapin yung boss.
Let's talk to the
Medyo
manager.
nag-overboard kami ng konti doon just for like a little amount of shake. Marami akong ganung stories.
Bili namin ang buko. Ang dumating, ano to?
Oh, papaano ka namin? Papa-fire ka namin.
Yeah, when I met her mom, you know what she said when I met her mom? Bakit naman anak mukhang sangga, no? I was like,
Pero Rico, you're so lucky na naabutan mo pa talaga.
yes,
na
I got to
ma-meet yung
spend
mama
time with her
ni
mom.
Phoebe.
I got to
Yeah.
take care of
That's so
her.
nice.
Isa sa mga nung nililigawan ko nga si Phoebe nun eh. Sabi
Yeah.
ko, sino ba sa nanligaw kay Phoebe, naging boyfriend ni Phoebe, nakahawak sa paa niya? Ginaganon-ganon ko ng lotion yung paa niya. Oh, only me. Yeah. Si Sangano. Ginaganon-ganon ko.
Okay. Ano ang pinakawalang kwentang dahilan kung bakit ka napagalitan ng mama mo? Pinakawalang kwentang dahilan.
Me drinking.
Lahat ng kwenta meron eh.
Ako yung pag-inom.
Ako yata lahat eh.
Yeah.
Wala bang kwenta yun pag,
The
pag hindi pag
disciplinarian kasi in our family is my dad. My mom doesn't say much.
Yeah.
Pero when she goes, anak, inom na naman kayo na iinom. Yung kidney mo. Tapos biglang she'll call 10 minutes later. Anak, we're coming home to the Philippines. What kind of Johnny Walker is it that you wanted? Ganun siya. Like, kasi may promo, may luggage. Kompleto
Yeah.
na ba yung luggages mo? Hindi pa. Ay, yung tequila nyo. Anong gusto yung tequila? Gusto niyo ba yung may bell? Yun ang lagi tinatanong. So, yun lang. It's just the drinking, the partying.
Walang kwenta. Ano ba? May kwenta lahat ng paggalit
Ako din,
ng nanay
may
ko
kwenta
sa akin
lahat eh.
Kumbaga parang, I've come to realize, before, syempre for me, walang kwenta yun, no? Kasi matigas ulo ko, Taurus ako eh. So, kumbaga parang matigas ulo ko, tapos bad girl ako. Kumbaga parang may kwenta lahat ng paggalit ng nanay ko sa akin. So, I can't say na wala siyang kwenta. But I think, siguro yung the way lang na pangtakot ng nanay sa akin, nakakatawa. Kasi dati, pag ginugupitan yung buhok ko, my hair kasi is may ano talaga, crowning glory. As in, until now.
Look at those bangs.
I know, right?
Yee!
Kumbaga parang, ang takot lagi sa akin ng mami ko is gugupitin niya yung buhok ko.
Kakalbuhin
Oo,
kita.
tapos alam mo ginagawa ko? Para hindi ako kalbuhin ng nanay ko, maghihimatay-himatayan ako.
Doon nag-start yung pag-aartista.
Listen. So, hindi na niya gugupitan niya.
I can imagine her acting as a...
I know, right? Sige, sasampalin ako. Nakotsera ka pa! Sa banutan. Gugupitin kayo yung buhok ko, ma'am. Kukunin ko yung gunting. Tapos pagbalik niya, nakaganon na.
Nakakatawa.
Kasi talaga, hindi ako gagalaw talaga kahit anong mangyari. Giselle! Ganun siya. Pero talagang maghihimatay-himatayan ako the whole time.
No, ako, I agree with you. Parang walang kwenta.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba parang lahat 'yon shape who you are, eh, 'di ba?
We won't be who we are right now.
Yeah.
Not because of our moms.
Oo. So parang
Diba?
parang kailangan din. Parang I wanna adapt that. Hindi naman yung sobrang like war freak na mom.
Palaaway ka nga lagi. Ako lang lagi na ang ngiti
Parang
lang. Okay.
kailangan the child growing up would always need that iron hand. But
Yeah.
not literally like papaluin mo, you know what I mean? Pero kailangan niya ng
The iron fist.
framework.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So
Kamay ng bakal. Tama.
So yeah.
So in my family, it's my dad, not my mom.
Your
It's
dad,
my
yeah.
dad. Okay, well, you know, moms, you guys have been really, really great. Ako, my message to my mom and my memory for my mom is that thank you for the hard work because she's a nurse, 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. She has 2 knee replacements and she still provides. My goal as the son is to really not give her any headache. Kaya ang taas ng level eh. Yung sobrang, if you've noticed why si Rico Robles hindi pa nag-aasawa. Kasi yung level ng babae na gusto kong mahalin na panghabang buhay should come closest to my mom.
Oh, yung
You
level
know?
ni Phoebe Walker.
Wag naman yung weight, ha. yung ugali, yung paano siya magmahal sa family,
Yeah.
in her family. I'm always thankful for my mom, and I love my mom very, very much. And she's always great. And my job is just to make sure that she has a great life along with my dad. Ayoko maging pabigat sa magulang ko.
Yeah.
For me, that's the ultimate goal. So, Mom, thank you. And siya yung nagsabi sa akin na magka-picture ako sa mga artista na may meet ko. Kaya ma'am, pa-picture ako. Magiging asawa ko, mga artista. At laging sinabi niya sa akin ng show, she was my first manager. So ang natutunan ko sa nanay ko, always magpakilala ka. Kahit sino man yung nandoon, kung sikat man siya, nagsisimula ako sa show business, magpakilala ka at magpa-picture ka. Bakit? Kasi at the end of the day, like sila, Nora, Honor, magpakilala ako po si Rico, bago lang po ako, pa-picture po ako. Kasi at the end of the day, for you to be a star, somebody has to clap. And if there's nobody clapping, how you gonna be a star, a true star? Sabi niya, magbigay-pugay ka to those before you. So, yun. Kaya, thank you, Mom. And I love you always. And make sure I look good
Yeah.
on TV. Ay, bigyan na nanay
Palagi
ko to.
may door-to-door.
Lagi may door-to-door every quarter. Ma, marami pa akong Irish
Pareho
Spring.
tayo. Ako din may door-to-door
Yes,
ako lagi
Irish
sa
Spring.
nanay ko.
Marami rin po kaming Q-tips at Ivory. Kares, madami.
Ganun talaga siguro yung mga old style ng mga
Ganun.
nanay, no? Ako din, ganun din yung mami ko.
Tuwalya. Ilan na ba tuwalya mo?
Oo, ang dami na. Tapos yung pambalot dun sa mga ano. Well,
Nahilig pa sila sa Trader Joe's, kaya
Tama.
puro Trader Joe's bag na
ako
sa bahay.
Ako na ba?
Oo, ikaw
Should
na.
I give
ikaw
a
na.
message to my mom na, Mommy, I'm always grateful kasi you're my mom. And I feel so lucky kasi, alam mo, kapag ka mabigat yung buhay ko, it's always my mom na sumasalo sa akin. And if wala akong nanay ngayon, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. As in talagang, iyak tuloy ako. Okay lang ba umiyak?
Go.
Kumbaga parang
It's
kung-
that time to share.
Yeah,
The
alam
time
mo
to
kung
share.
wala yung nanay ko, I don't know kung anong gagawin ko sa buhay ko, Rico. Kasi she always saves me with everything. As in, talagang she saves me pagka lugmok ako, malungkot ako, wala ako. It's always my mom that I can run to. And I'm very, very grateful that you're my mom kasi kahit anong mangyari, you always support me. Kahit galit ka sa akin or kahit pasaway ako, you're still there and you're still there. Hindi mo ako iniiwan kagaya ng mga ibang nanay na kilala ko na pag may kasalanan yung mga anak nila, they just leave them and go away and give them the lesson. But my mom, she would always be there for me no matter what. So Mom, thank you so much for being that person, for being my best friend, for being my sometimes enemy.
I've seen you guys fight.
I know.
So hilarious.
But there's always a reason why. So, Mommy, I love you so much. And I'm all very, very grateful for everything na ginagawa mo for me. And also for my tita. Kasi siya yung pangalawang mami ko na...
Oy, ako din, Tita Marie.
Oo, yung
My
mami
mom's
ko na
sister.
pangalawang tita ko na
Love you,
kamukha
Tita
ko. Na sinasalo ako pag hindi ako kinakausap
Mami
ng
Linda.
mami ko. Tita, I love you. Mami tita ko, tita tata. And,
Do they
Mami,
watch?
thank
Does
you.
your mom watch You Hunt for Podcast?
Yeah, but I always hide my podcast from them. Lalo na yung mga bastos. But pinagsasabihan ako, ikaw ha, bastos ka masyado. Pero naiintindihan naman. Thank you for understanding my personality, Mami. I love you so much. Yun lang yung message ko sa kanya.
Okay,
Thank you
we love
for
you, Ma.
taking care of all of us, me and Al.
Basta kung ano man mangyari, dito lang tayo lagi.
Yes.
Naman naman yun.
Always.
Okay.
Diba?
My love, it's your turn.
Okay.
Ito, hindi pa pumapasok sa kanya, umiiyak na.
Siyempre, Rico.
Oo, game.
We
We're
have to
here.
understand. We're here, Phoebes.
Okay.
We'll hold your hand. We're here.
So it's been a year.
We're here.
It's been a year since Phoebe's mom joined God in heaven.
I know how it feels.
Her badass mom. As in, when I met her mom, she was really a pillar of strength. You know the song by The Course? Thunder only happens when it's rain.
That was
That's
my
her
mom.
song kasi daw thunder daw pag nagagalit.
Pag nagagalit
Sinisigawan
siya,
niya.
yeah, parang Thunder. So that was her nickname in the family, Thunder.
Si Thunder. So hanggang sa funeral niya, yun yung nagtumutugtog. Hindi ko alam kung iyak ako, tatawa ako nung time.
The Course,
The
right?
Course, Thunder. I'm like, Oh,
Yeah.
wow. What a, ano.
You know, I mean, looking back, parang all of her memories are my favorite ones. Well, it's just hard to not have a mom kasi parang nawalan ng compass in life. Nawalan ako ng anchor. Just like you, she was so supportive. Sorry to be
No, it's okay. Sobrang naiintindihan ka namin. I know how it feels. Like,
Yeah.
especially with you.
No, it gets harder. It gets harder. You never, like now, I finally understand what grief is about. Kasi you feel like it's not like a heartbreak that you get over it. It's something that you live with. There's always this space in your heart that will be there.
Yeah.
And that's for her.
Well, you know, one thing that I've come to see that the whole time that when your mom passed and everything, that you really tried your best.
Yeah.
Everything. I've
Yeah.
never seen somebody get in line in a government LGU to
He would tell me that.
to get a
Tibbs.
grant na wala siyang mask, may pila siya yung mga tao, nakikilala siya. Si Phoebe Walker, ganun. So siya, tapos nakakuha siya sa LGU ng 10K pang sa dialysis that time. She was so happy.
Yeah.
I mean, as an artista, you get money, but it's different when you're going really
Yeah.
through the process.
No, really, it just sucks that that our government here has no medical assistance. There is, pero pahihirapan muna yung taong
You have to
bayan.
get in line, you have to get. But you
Yeah.
know, you never gave up on that, and I'm very, very proud of you on that.
Thank you.
Even to a point that when the mom was cremated, she got the ashes, and she had a columbarium. She took it all the way from La Union and made sure they have a nice columbarium, so that when she celebrates her first year in heaven,
Yeah.
that they have a nice air-conditioned place where they could be. And you did that.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you on
Thank
that.
you. No,
And I
it's
would have conversations with your mom when you guys were asleep and she
Yeah.
comes from dialysis. You'd have talks. And she'd always tell me, take care of my daughter. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, I think for the moms as well, I mean, like we're talking about advice
Yeah.
for moms, no, is be healthy for your children.
Yeah.
That's another thing that I would want to be in as a mom.
Yeah.
Is I would like, no matter how busy we are, you have to stay long, live long for your children as
Yeah.
well. You know, so you just advise to everybody there. Spend as much time as you can with your parents, with your mom, your dad, kasi really life really is short. And magpasalamat ka na may nagagalit sa'yo, may nagpapauwi sa'yo, kasi in the future, mamimiss mo yan.
Yeah.
Namimiss ko yun.
She misses the thunder in her voice.
Yeah.
You know, and
Yung simpleng mga text, saka na anak, nakauwi ka na. Yung mga ganon. Simpleng ganon.
Yeah.
I did keep my promise that I will marry your daughter. And huwag ka mag-alala, I will text you kung umiiyak ka pa o hindi. And if you're looking for an anchor, don't worry.
Akala
I'm
ko if
your-
you're looking for an ankle.
If you're looking for an anchor,
If you're looking for an uncle.
yeah, the anchor, di ba? You have Popeye the Sailor Man right here. And you got your too hot for podcast, fam,
Yeah.
Phoebe. Who would have thought that you're doing so much, you know? But we appreciate your honesty.
Yeah.
This was a tough episode to do because, you know,
it's.
when we were actually discussing the mom episode, we didn't know if Phoebe would open up about it.
Yeah,
And
kung
it's
kaya
always
niya.
been, but then
Thank
she
you,
had to.
Phoebe.
And thank you for
Thank you,
opening
guys.
up to us.
Yeah.
Hindi
We're
man tayo-
always gonna be here for you, Phoebe.
Di ka man namin masyadong kilala. Kami ay nagagalak sa pag-share nyo. So, sa mga nais magpadala
Natawa ko
ng...
sa if you're looking for an uncle.
Yeah.
So, we end with a shot clock. Yeah, para sa ating mga nanay, kung sa tingin nyo with your
Yeah.
message, ang natutunan ko ngayon is, I will live long enough for my great-grandkids.
Yes.
'Cause I'm already...
You know what? Now I understand why Phoebe is so healthy.
Yes.
Parang, alam mo yun, gusto niya talagang healthy. Siyempre ako kasi unhealthy din. Tinamaan ako doon
YOLO! Ito, YOLO.
No, okay. If there's one favorite memory na masasabi ko is when I brought my mom to Bohol. Like all expenses paid. This was my birthday. It was COVID. So talagang I spent everything for my mom and my sister, and it was such a happy holiday. Although marami akong nagastos. You know, my advice to you out there is kahit magastos man, pero ang kapalit man nun is lifetime
The
of
memory.
memories.
Yeah.
Do it. Kasi pera kikitain mo lang din yan eh. Pero
Yes.
the time that you will
Memory
spend with
mo with
them
your
is
mom.
priceless. So book that holiday.
Yeah. And
Parang
mom,
gusto ko na tuloy pumunta ng US.
Mom, this is for you. We love you, Mom.
Cheers to all the mommies out there.
Milk Cherie. Please send a DM to Milk Cherie.
And a future milk baby.
Yeah.
Malapit na
Happy
yan.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Love you,
to
Mama.
everyone.
This is
Pero
where the
feeling
song
ko-
by Spice Girls goes, Mama,
Feeling ko talaga,
I love you. Mama, I care.
Tinatamaan na ako sa gin bilog nito.
Mama, I love. Thank you guys for watching. Till then, thank you to the
Yes.
moms out there and to the single parents. All right, it's not only for the mamas,
Yeah.
also for the single parents, for the single kings and the single queens out
Yes.
there. Hey, keep on doing what you're doing. Till then, my name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.